Hi, I'm Jeff Wagner, Product Manager for the Alpine Division at Keystone RV. Alpine is Keystone's premier luxury fifth wheel brand. Today, we're standing in the all-new 3701 front living. I'm actually up in the living room of this model, and I wanted to show you a few of the features. We have two sleeper sofas, one on each side, a theater seat that reclines and faces directly at your entertainment center. One of the unique features about this model is it's built with a windshield. This windshield adds a lot of extra natural light. As we transition down into the kitchen, I'll show you a few of the items that are standard in every single Alpine. I'll start with the large refrigerator. This happens to be our large 18 cubic foot Samsung refrigerator. We allow our customers to pick a residential model, which you see here, or an 18 cubic foot RV model. In addition to that, the appliance package includes the Furrion RV Chef Collection Kitchen, which features a 30-inch convection microwave, heavy-duty range top, and an industry-first large oven with a ton of features. What makes this floor plan unique, though, is the half bath that's located directly off the kitchen. It's within steps of your entry door. The real pride and joy of this floor plan is the master suite and the ensuite bathroom. As we step up into the master suite, you'll notice that we have tons of headroom. We've designed this model with this in mind. In addition to that, we have his and her closets at the foot of the bed, a selection of his and her drawers, and a large king-sized master suite bedroom. So as you look into the bathroom in the master ensuite, you'll notice that you have a window directly above the toilet. You have his and her vanity, a large 48 by 30 shower, and our stackable washer dryer closet located right here. Thanks for taking the time to tour the all-new 3701 Alpine. This floor plan has a lot to offer in this bath and a half front lounge.